One of the features that I really like about Teams is transcription, and it's also got the ability for you to speak in another language and have that transcribed too, instead of taking meeting notes. So we'll try it with my clumsy old French, hey? Just give it a whirl. I'm going to change the spoken language from the three little dots in this transcript window. I'm going for France, French. Confirm. Alors, bonjour tout le monde. Je suis Karine et j'espère que je peux parler un peu français. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich habe in Deutschland gewohnt für... Hola, buenos dias. Me llamo Karen. Oh, well, it didn't understand my name, Karen. It does in English. This is my first transcript in chat inside Teams, and can you see the deliberate mistake? You can see I've downloaded the transcript into Word here. If you download your video in the browser, you can click on transcribe button to see the transcription in the video. I think this is a great feature, and I think even if you don't use the languages, just being able to transcribe your meetings, it's going to be a godsend to people. Happy Christmas, everybody.